Filipino!
If they are hungry, I treat them to an Italian pizza pie.
Delicioso!
And when I have the money, I give them a real Chinese Korean.
Considering all this, considering my taste for president's foreign, tell me, what right do I have to call myself a Filipino?
Should I not call myself a cultural one, a legitimate child of many races?
Rightly or wrongly, rightly or wrongly, whether we like it, whether we like it or not. Rightly or wrongly, whether we like it or not, we are the end products of our history. Fortunately or unfortunately, our history is a combination of polyglot influences.
Malayan!
And Chinese,
Spanish!
and British,
American!
Japanese. This is historic fact. We cannot ignore. A cultural reality. We cannot escape. For to believe otherwise is to indulge in fantasy.
I must confess!
You must confess.
I'm extremely confused and bewildered, young man! Wherever I am, whatever I may be doing, I am bombarded! I am bombarded on all sides by the people who want me to search for my national identity.
Tell me the language I speak should be replaced by Filipino. They urge me to do away with this.
Filipino. They demand.
And demand! We demand! The composer should explain endless possibilities of the hunting continuum. They exist! They exist! They exist! They exist! 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 Dum! Ba-da-bum bum bum! Ba-da-bum bum bum bum! Ba-da-bum bum bum! Bum! Ba-da-bum bum bum! Ba-da-bum bum bum bum! Ba-da-bum bum bum! All this sounds wonderful, but Rizal used Spanish when he wrote Noli and Philip. Was he less of a nationalist because of it? Was the artist of the true Filipino made with the juice of the two heart? Yes, Rizal is Spanish when he wrote Noli and Philip, but Luke is our national hero. Was he less nationalist because of it? What does Noli and Philip all about? It talks about the Spanish who abused many Filipinos. It makes a love for the Filipinos for its own country. We are Filipino, Filipino, Filipino. We are Filipino, Filipino, Filipino.
And Masjid John, picture of topless Muslim women and eager admirers in G-string.
And if the composer deserves the condiman, and he writes songs faithful to the spirits of the youths of today.